This is going to be a first time experience. We've never done this before. So yeah, let's find out what's going to happen.
Yeah. We are in the shopping mall looking for Kura Sushi.
What is she? No English. Do you want to let the person go ahead of us?
Yeah.
So cool, isn't it? It looks like we're in an Apple store. So we're waiting for a table.
So we are in Kura Sushi, having our first sushi in Tokyo.
And it looks awesome. That's the booth number. Look at all this, the sauces.
Chopsticks, sauces,
Cool. Look at that.
matcha,
Matcha, yeah.
ginger.
What's that one? Chopsticks. And toothpicks. And some spoons. On the first machine we got a waiting number, the time to show up at, although we were early. Then we get a booth number on a second machine. You take your hand towels for after. Patricia's currently trying to log on to the Wi-Fi here, which is for free. And then we can scan this, order what we want, and then it should come this way. I talk as if I know what the heck I'm doing, but I don't. I don't have a clue. It's all new to me and to Patricia. But it looks awesome. By the way, everything's in Japanese. English!
Thank you.
From this angle, it's harder to see.
I can't. Oh, you can lift it.
Oh my gosh.
We are newbies.
Yeah.
Oh god, that's stressful.
So stressful.
You got wasabi?
Oh, look at all this. Tuna one plate.
What have I missed? It's here. Oh my god. It's stuff in front of us.
What's happening is we're continuously looking here as to what's showing up. Little do we know, it's just right in front of our eyes, right in front of our noses. So I'm guessing if you take anything off here, this is for anybody, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
It's all a learning curve, and I enjoy it. Are you enjoying it, babe?
Yeah, I am, but I don't know what to choose, so it's like, okay, yellow tail.
And you feel pressured with the time.
Yeah, a shrimp is coming.
Ta-da!
God.
It come all the way down there, like all the way.
Okay.
So fast.
So cool.
We're building the collection. We're not going to eat this, we're just buying it to watch it happen.
So cool. And omelette? Water first or powder first?
Okay, let's try.
I'm curious about tuna, so I will just go with tuna. It doesn't taste like the tuna I'm used to. It tastes completely different, but the taste is nice. I know I'm doing maybe this wrong, but that's wasabi. I just had some wasabi, and it's so good.
She says it's so good. I said be careful with it. No, don't listen.
It's very nice. Salmon with mayo.
Really nice, really nice. That mayo is good.
We don't need soya sauce.
No, I'm good. Let's order more.
Yeah.
What did you order?
Spicy cod roll.
It's okay. It's fresh. Yeah, this one's yours. The seaweed wrap is actually nicer than the one we had at the start.
Yeah.
You're liking that wasabi, aren't you?
Oh, I do. I like the kick. That's wasabi. Overall, I don't like it.
You don't like that one? No?
Tell me about it. No.
Okay, Patricia's time trying the salmon with mayo.
Oh, it was very nice.
That's a really good one.
And a hint of mayo on the top. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you very much. What the heck is this you ordered?
Sukiyaki style roll.
It kind of smells like a gravy pot with the hint of the seaweed. Hard to say. I don't think I'm going to like that.
It's gravy, yes, you're right. I think I would not like that, but I'll try.
Not as bad as it smells?
We're building a collection.
You sure I'm going to like this?
Yeah.
It's not soy sauce, but there's some sort of sauce on it. Yeah, it's good.
Add to the collection.
Oh yeah. There you go, babe.
Oh, hello.
We've been waiting for you. Now that looks really, really different.
Yes. I wanted the fried one as to, you try and see how it goes. How are you supposed to do it? It's so big.
All jokes aside, she's butchering this right now. We watched Abroad in Japan, Chris Broad, he just snapped that tail off in one go, didn't he? Really, like, he made it look so simple and easy. Would you say it's easy?
No.
This squid is not cooperating with me right now.
It's not squid.
What is it then? No, I take it back. This shrimp is not cooperating with me right now. It's like being at the fish and chips back in the UK.
Squid?
Have we ever tried squid?
I don't think so. We tried the raw one.
Nah, not a raw squid. So we're gonna try it this time for you guys.
I promise, this is the last one. 2 more plates, and then I'm done.
It's tiny. Who knows? It might pack a punch. But do you see it? It's pickled.
I think you were wrong. They are raw, but they are just tiny.
I bet these are gonna taste great.
I think we're done. I can't eat anymore after that squid.
Personally, I feel like I could easily keep going and eat a lot more. I tell you what, the selection here is huge. Like, you got to give yourself a little bit of time. I feel like we felt a bit rushed. I don't know why. Or we should have got more acquainted with the menu because there's a lot on there, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's a cool experience.
Very cool experience.
Right, feed it as fast as you can. Keep coming. Sharp. God, you're slowing down, woman. That's better. On a scale of 1 to 10.
I love the experience because that was our first experience. So yeah, I love it.
You found good. Well done. Take this, and here you go. Pay, and you scan it.
Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, let's go down. First ever experience with sushi bells like that. I like it. We have to repeat that.